We're gonna slide it in this bore and make sure we don't scratch the cylinder walls while we're doing it.
ASE on the track.
What's up, YouTube? Back with another video again. We in the lab. Me and my partner right here, Mo. Classmates around. All right, guys. This is the motor we have. This is what is this, bro?
That's a
3100.
3100.
3100 came out of Monte Carlo. What year was that it came out of? Anyway, this is the 3100. Broke it all the way down.
1990 something.
Yeah. We torqued it down. So now we're gonna install the pistons.
Yeah, we're gonna put the pistons in there.
Yeah.
Hopefully today.
Yeah, for sure. All right. Okay, we're waiting on our instructor to come back so he can give us the sheet on how to check the end play on the crank. All right. Okay, guys. Wait. Okay, guys. We got the dial indicator installed. It's zeroed out. My partner, he's gonna pull and push against the crank to see how much thrust we got coming. Oh damn, it is working, ain't it? Yeah. All right. Okay, now I don't know.
So wait, how much is it going to?
We're going to like 85 or 80. 80. Yeah, 85 to 80 with human strength.
So basically, we gotta push this in right here.
Yep.
And then it'll tell us how much it's moving.
Yep. Okay. Okay, guys, we measuring flanks. This is where we at. Crankshaft lubricated. Properly seated thrust bearing. We measure crankshaft end play. Measure crankshaft flange run out. That was about 80,000. Whatever it is, I don't know how to read that. I'm gonna put 80 right there. 80 to 85. To 85. We'll deal with it later. Engine off stand and rear main seal properly installed. Reassembler on stand. We gotta put the rear main seal in. That's the rear main seal right there. Yep. We can take this off. We don't even need this no more.
Okay, so put it this way.
Yep. Remember, he said you got to put it in a certain way.
Yeah, I think it was like this.
That's good. All right, we got the rear main seal in. All right, now we can turn it around, flip the engine. So we can put these pistons in here.
Oh shit.
Start with piston 1. You know what? We got to put those. We got to put those piston bearings in here.
Oh yeah. Let's do that first.
All right. Okay, guys, we're putting the bearings in here. That's what they call it, right? Piston bearings. All right, let's put these in here and then we'll get back with y'all. Okay, me and my classmate Mo, we got the bearings in here. Piston rings is already on there and ready to be installed. And start off with one. Never used this before, but we're gonna try it. All right, we did number one, you guys. Just tightening it up on there.
Yep. We're about to do number 2 on camera.
All right. This is cylinder 2 right here.
Yep, cylinder 2. Which one is this? This one?
Yeah, there's 2.
Yep, that's 2.
Go ahead and squeeze that on there.
Alright, speed it up. Okay, I'll hold the camera for you.
All right. Guys, cylinder 2. We're gonna slide it in this bore. Make sure we don't scratch the cylinder wall while we're doing it.
Alright, so he has to adjust it from the bottom. That way we can push this in.
Let me show them what it's looking like down here. Okay, as you can see, cylinder 2.
Yeah, so it's basically adjusting it from here when you go to the bottom.
Yep.
Alright, so what number is this?
It's 2.
2.
We installing piston ring number 3, which is right there. We're gonna put it in there,
Like this,
being
right?
careful. Yeah, turn it sideways like that, cause it's gonna go down in there.
Oh, I see where it's going.
All you gotta do is tap it, and then I'll view it under here.
Alright. You see it?
Go ahead and tap it. See which one is going on. Is it going in there?
Nope. It stopped.
Let's see.
It's this one, right?
All right, we got the number 3 in. Tighten that up later.
Alright.
All right, now we're working on number 4.
That's number 4 right here.
Okay, YouTube. All right, YouTube, we got all the pistons installed. Now, I'm gonna go get the torque spec for these here. And me and my classmate, we're gonna torque them down on this 3.1 liter engine.